Hey everyone, how's it going? So today I want to show you guys how to draw one of the dinosaurs that I always thought looked really cool, and that is the Parasaurolophus, and I apologize if I butchered that name. So to draw this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a little circle shape for the eye. Now, right above the eye, I'm just going to draw a little curved line just to kind of show where like the eyebrow is. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve back behind the eye, and it's just going to kind of come back here and then kind of curve like this. Now, right here, I'm going to kind of curve this one out, and I'm going to kind of bring it down and just around. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to curve up, and it's going to come all the way back to here. Then right here, I'm going to take this and I'm just going to kind of curve it back. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to come back like this, and then just kind of come right down to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve in, and then it's just going to kind of go down for the neck. Then for the arms, you want to start here and draw a line that goes down, and it's going to curve back. Then you want to bring it down like this, and then just kind of curve back. And then for the fingers, I'm just going to make a line that's going to kind of curve. I'm going to make another line right here that's just going to curve. And then I'm going to make one small one up here. And then I'm going to bring this line back up here, and then kind of curve it around to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down for the stomach. And then I want it to look like it's walking. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then it's just going to kind of come back like this. It's going to kind of curve down, and I'm going to bring it around for a toe. Another one that's going to curve around like this. And then I'm going to bring this one up, and then just kind of curve it back. I went kind of out and then straight up. And then I'm just going to kind of curve in, out, and then back in for like the calf. And then starting right here, you just want to kind of curve this line out and then kind of bring it up a little bit. Now, this tail's looking a little short here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of curve it back so it looks like it's kind of curved around. So I'm going to curve this down here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. And then I'm going to get really, really close to this. It's going to look really strange for a minute. And I'm going to kind of curve this a little bit farther, and then I'm just going to kind of bring it back like this, just show the tail's kind of like curving around. Now, back here, I'm going to draw another line that just kind of goes down, and it's going to come back here. I'm going to bring this line kind of down here, put another one of those little toes on it, and then just add one more, kind of curve it up. And then bring it up to here. And then I want this leg coming back here. We're going to have the tail in front of it. So I'm just going to leave a little space, draw a line that's going to kind of curve back. And it's going to go down like this. Going to have it go down. It's going to just kind of curve around. I'm going to bring this one back and then just do another toe here. Then I'm going to kind of curve it up to here. Draw a line that goes up, and then just kind of bring it to here. just to make it look like it's kind of walking. So now that we have all of like the outline done, we want to add some of the details. So down here, I'm going to give it some little claws. And we'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to add just some real small claws on here as well. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go right up to about here, and then it's just going to kind of run back to here. Make a little line that's just going to kind of curve in. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go back here, just so it doesn't look like it's so smiley. A little curved line for like where the nostrils would be. I'm just going to add a little line up here just to kind of show where the mouth is. Add a little curved line right here just to show that the eye is kind of sitting in the head. I might put another little wrinkle line around it. Little line that just kind of curves right around here for like a cheekbone. And then right along here, I'm going to add some little broken lines just to kind of show where there's some detail on the neck. Little line up here, and I'm going to add some more of these kind of like little long lines, little broken lines, just to show some detail on the head. Little kind of broken line around there to show where the leg muscles are. Little same broken line down here. And I'm just going to make kind of like a long little broken line kind of runs down the tail and the whole length of the body. Kind of curve this arm up and then add a couple little lines in here. Little line by the leg, a couple of them. Another little line kind of on the stomach. And then I'm going to put a couple little curved lines right where like the knee is, and then just a couple little extra lines around here just to show where there's like some leg movement and stuff. Little line right here. Then just a couple little lines kind of going down the leg. Put some little curved lines by the toes. And then we can put some like curved lines on the arms. Just little wrinkle lines. Little lines around the neck. And then I'm just going to add some little bumpy lines that just kind of go down the back. Just kind of like really little tiny spikes that they have going down. They'll get a little bit bigger on the back, but they're going to stay pretty much the same size. They're going to be pretty small. And I'm going to put some back here, and then I'm going to have them kind of jump around here. Run another little kind of broken line down here. I'm going to put a little circle in here for like the pupil. And then just another little line here and a couple little lines going around the head. Add some little extra detail lines around here. Some little lines kind of going around the face. And then just maybe a couple little extra lines all over the place just for some little details. And there you go. There's your drawing of a Parasaurolophus. Once again, apologize for messing up the name on that. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.